Google's new Nano Banana Pro is insanely good at creating infographics. This is something I covered in my most recent Fast Company article, and I'm going to show you here exactly how to get it to create some really incredible infographics from literally anything that you can paste in there. But first, let's take a look at some of the things I did for this article. So basically, Nano Banana Pro, if you're not aware, is the newest image generator, image editor from Google. They released Nano Banana. People were very surprised by how good it was. It's great at editing things. It's great at handling text. And Nano Banana Pro is basically an update to that. You find it within Gemini. And you can use it to edit images, but it's also, as people have noticed, incredibly good at laying out graphics and text and creating new graphics and understanding information and summarizing it all in a very beautiful visual way. So I tested it for my article here. I, for example, asked it to figure out the best times to cross the Bay Bridge in San Francisco, which is a popular and very trafficy bridge around where I live. And you can see here it gave this really complex infographic about the morning commute times, the midday window, evening windows, afternoon, the changes on weekends, both directions on here. We've got this lovely graphic of the bridge. And this is all stuff that it researched first, because again, it's a full large language model within Gemini. And then it put this whole thing together with all the different toll rates and things like, okay, watch out for sports games because the Warriors Stadium is fairly close by. And a lot of this, I'm looking at it, I didn't go through it in total detail, but it's very accurate from what I've done driving over that bridge many, many times. But you can even do this for personal things. So I had a trip planned into San Francisco, and I literally took the contents of several WhatsApp messages with different family members and pasted them in and said, make an infographic. And it did. It created this infographic for when we're going to meet up, how we're going to get in, what we're going to do, the restaurants we're visiting, etc., including this really nice little stylized map of San Francisco. And this is something I could send out to the whole group to show them exactly what we're doing. And this is something where if you hired an artist or even used Canva or something to do it, it would take forever. You wouldn't do it for something simple like a day trip itinerary. But because all you have to do is basically paste it in, and Nano Banana can understand exactly what you need and make a beautiful graphic, it's incredibly simple. So this would be super helpful if you're a web publisher, for example. You can easily throw an infographic into your blog post for people who are more visual and don't want to read a bunch of text in there. If you're a YouTuber, you can create really nice graphics to include in a video. If you're a teacher, you could use this to take a complex topic and turn it into something you could use in your classroom. There's so many different uses for this kind of thing. If you're giving a presentation, certainly in a business context, it's very useful too. And that's what I'm going to demonstrate here with exactly how to create one of these. So first, what you want to do is pull up Gemini. That's gemini.google.com. Now we're going to go into Tools here, and we're going to make sure that we selected Create Images. Because otherwise, it's not going to default to making an image. It might just kind of like lay out the text for an infographic and not actually make it. Then we're going to say what we need. And this can be very simple. So I'm going to say analyze my top videos for insights and then make an infographic explaining the key trends and information. And what I did was pasted in a screenshot. And again, it can process visuals, so it should be able to work with this, of the top videos on a YouTube channel that I have over the Black Friday period. This is called Dad Reviews, and it's dad reviews of different products and toys and things. So I put in my top videos and just want to get some insights, what's going on this season. I'm going to go ahead and press the button here. And again, just make sure that image piece is checked. It's going to say loading Nano Banana Pro. So that's how you know that it's in fact using the right model. And it usually takes somewhere between 30 seconds to a minute to generate results. So let's come back in a second. Okay, so one thing you'll see here is first it basically did a textual analysis, which is all very helpful, but it didn't actually make the infographic. It just said, here's a visual summary, and even though I had selected image, it didn't actually make it. So if it does that, just say, actually make the image, remind it what you really need from it. And then here we go, here's our infographic. So you can see this is quite useful. It's nice layout, nice colors on this, and you can see the dominant niche, parenting solutions, 65% baby gear and how-tos, 35% household and dad reviews. So clearly this is my main topic here. Dr. Brown's brand content drives 50% of total views. That's pretty impressive. So it's a reminder that this particular bottle brand apparently is my key topic. I should make more videos about that. Short and specific wins. So quick solutions, videos, under 15 seconds, which means my shorts are obviously outperforming my long form videos. And then high click-through rates is interesting. So microwave review, for example, in there's a video where I reviewed a Toshiba microwave where I put the exact model number in there. My guess is that if people are seeing that model number and they're looking for a review of that exact microwave, that's going to result in them clicking. So like, wow, he has a review of my exact microwave. So that's very interesting. It's a reminder that to bump up that click-through rate, I should be putting as much detail, specific detail in the video titles as possible. And then this is interesting. One of these videos is getting a lot of off-site external traffic because it's saying there's very few impressions but a large number of views. I believe I embedded it in a Medium article, and so it probably is getting external views from that. So all of this, I can look at this very quickly and say, okay, great, more shorts, baby gear, specifically Doc Brown's, include the titles, include the specific model numbers and stuff in my titles, and certainly embedding videos seems to be working. Boom, it's all summarized for me, and that's just from a screenshot. Now I've got this, and if I had a team I was working with, I could share this with them, I could put it in a PowerPoint. And this is quite beautiful and quite useful. All the text is pretty much accurate in here. I really like some of the graphics it's put in, and the chart, and all this kind of stuff. Again, quite impressive what it can do. And you can do this for literally anything. So copy and paste in some kind of really long, boring business report, and it'll create this. You can do it for your stock portfolio, pretty much anything that you want. If you want to learn more about it, again, I've got a very long article going into more detail, more examples over here in Fast Company. I'll throw a link into the description. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful.